From 2E1LJL with a cold. I do apologise there, James. Yeah, lovely sounding box. I'm on 20 watts at the moment. I'm also recording on YouTube. I hope you don't mind. And it sounds absolutely wonderful. So this is GB3JC running. Can you just go again with the specs again, James? It sounded really good. 20 watts at the moment. I'll come back on low power and see how it's sounding then.
Okay, so the specs at the moment, it's running about 1.2 watts or so ERP. It's on a small home-built 3-element beam that's pointing to the northeast, about 53 degrees. So obviously sun is coming off the side, here on the side of the beam, I would imagine from where you and JC are. The antenna's about 13 metres above ground level. And yeah, just astonishing signal. You've got no noise on you at all. I'm actually really surprised. We anticipated JC would only cover sort of the northeast of Norfolk. So I'll be interested when we get the commercial beam. That should be delivered Monday. I said I've just put it up for testing on this home-built one out of some coat hangers, Lee. I'll get a picture up at some point and send it over to you. But I was surprised you could even work it. I didn't think there'd be any chance, to be honest with you. 2E1LJL, M0ZAH.
M0ZAH, 2E1LJL, returning now on QRP. Outputting about 3 watts from my collinear, which is up at about 10 metres. It's not quite above the house. But yeah, sound absolutely lovely. Audio's great, James. It's nice to know I can work it from here, like you say, from what you've said. I hope it stays like that. It's sounding really good, and no doubt a few more S points when you're on the licensed output, James. I wonder if you're getting me okay on low power. M0ZAH from 2E1LJL.
A bit of smooth noise, Lee, but absolutely nothing that I could tell you about, really. Very clear audio. No, I'm actually astonished. I did not think. To be fair, I thought you'd be able to work it, but you're saying again at a solid S9. I'm very surprised, but then where me and you are, we've always had a very good path. It's just interesting because, as I say, you're not right in the direction of where the beam's pointing. You're a little further round. There's obviously some radiating off the side of the beam, which is good news. We needed a 77 repeater for this area. We've got NR, that does a good job, but when you start getting down in the lower depths down here, it's, you know, you get an S1, S2. JC is licensed for about 3.5 watts. No, sorry, 3.1 watts, about 5.5 dBW. And it's only running 1.2 at the moment. However, when we go to the commercial beam, that's going to have more gain, so we'll have to run less power at the transmitter. And I tuned the duplexers up this morning, and yeah, just absolutely surprised. Very happy. I'm not going to say I'm not happy about it, but yeah, I bet you're happy you're able to work it. There you go. You've got a wide split repeater now that you can use. I mean, one day I hope to echo link it. The ETCC and Ofcom did a fantastic job of licensing the box. It only took 7.6 months, where some other ones have been in there for 24 months. So it's a really big thanks to them guys for all the hard work they've put in, and the RSGB as well. So very happy with that. Yeah. So once Jake's been up, Lee, and we switch out the home built antenna for the commercial one, it's going to be a bit more directional. So you might lose a couple of S points, but I don't think you'll lose it completely, to be honest with you. If you can work it on this thing I've just thrown together, then you've got no problems. I don't think when we go to the commercial stuff. 2E1LJL, this is Mike 0 Zulu Alpha Hotel.
2E1LJL returning. Back up to 10 watts there, James. Wonderful. I'm really pleased, really pleased. Well, I hope it stays like that. I'm just going to try my handheld in a moment. That'll be interesting, see if I can work it on the old handy. That'll be very interesting to know. Am I the first contact, James?
You are 100% the first contact on GB3JC. As I say, it might not stay up over the weekend. I'm only sort of keeping it on while I'm at home until we've finished off building a controller once I'm happy with the install, it'll be permanently on and I'll report it as switched on. But you are officially...
I think he's timed out. Oh dear, James, I think you're timed out on your own repeater. Right, I'm going to end this video and get this up to YouTube so you can have a look. This is 2E1LJL Lowestoft, first operator to work GB3JC over in Norwich.